Hey there, it's Bootzone here. This is a Bosch Varioperfect washing machine. I'm going to have a look at how to empty the filter today, drain out the filter on it, because I've got to put it into a car. So clip that thing down as I just did, lift that door off, and then you can open this hose, pull that plug out if you want to drain it out inside into a bowl or something, but I'm outdoors, so I'm just going to go for it and twist this out. That's full of water. Yeah, so I've got to move this. Ooh, money, that's what we like. I've got to move it. It's got some lint on it as well, but that's okay. I've got to move it in a car and I don't want it leaking in the car. So let's just twist it back in there to close it up. And a little extra tip, if your door is locked and you need to open it, just put a screwdriver or a pen or something in there, push that black lever down, and that unlatches the door inside if it's stuck for whatever reason. And then to get it back together, just snap it shut. And there you go, we're 2 pence richer. Start of a fortune. Thanks for watching, see you later.